Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, super exciting, we have another Boxycharm box to unbox together. This is the May base box. So it retails for $27.99 and you get 5 full-size products. So super exciting to share this with you guys. We're going to unbox it. We're going to try on the products together. So if that interests you, then be sure to keep on watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click the bell notifications. That way you never miss a future upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the box. So right on top, we have a card, and on the card is the theme of the month, which is Super Bloom, so perfect for May. And on the back of the card, you have all the products listed and their retail values. So we're going to go through all the products together, all the descriptions and their retail values, and then at the end of the video I'm going to tally up all of the values of the products to see the total value of this box. So let's go ahead and see what the first product up is. So we have a Dewy blush glossy cheek tint from Ciate London, and I got the shade Coconut. So let's see what this is all about. I'm super excited to try this out. This is what it looks like. It's a cute little tube, and it says that this is a gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. This has an ultra lightweight finish and it leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek that blends effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen, and it's formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit. This blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color, and it retails for $22. So you get a tiny little tube like this for $22. I mean, I'm sure this product lasts a long time. I'm sure like a little goes a long way, but we're going to go ahead and test it out today. So I have not set my face yet, so we can go in with this little blush here, and I'm going to just swatch it on the back of my hand first. I just want to see the color. Okay, so that is the color. It's kind of like a dark, I don't know, it's not really dark, but it's like a kind of more of like a maroon color almost. So I'm curious to see how that's going to look on the cheeks. Like honestly, this kind of looks like a lip color to me. Can you see that? Yeah, it's really giving me like lip color. It almost like looks like a lip gloss. It's very like shiny and dewy. I don't know if I'm gonna like this on my cheeks, honestly. Like to me, that seems like that should go on the lips. But we're gonna test it out for the purpose of this video and see what it looks like on the cheeks. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so I have no idea how I should apply this. If I should apply it directly to the brush or directly to my cheek, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go and apply it to the brush just because I feel like that may be easier. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my brush. I have no idea how much to use. So I got about that much on my brush, if you can see. So I'm hoping that's not going to be too much, but let's go ahead and dab it on. Okay, so you can kind of see the color there. Now let's blend it out. It's very, very dewy. I know it's supposed to be like a dewy cheek tint, but oh my gosh, is this ever dewy? It's like glass skin. Can you guys see that? Like it's very shiny, very dewy. I've never really used a product like this on my cheeks before. I've used like cream blushes, but nothing with this amount of dewiness to it, so it's definitely a different product for me, but that's kind of what it looks like. I don't know if it really gave a ton of color. Like honestly, I don't think there's like that much pigment there. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I'm not really seeing it in my mirror though. All I see is like a shine. It just looks like I put gloss on my cheek. And yeah, it's kind of looking really bad right here because I did set my under eyes and I kind of went too far up with this product, and now it's kind of messing with my powder. But I don't know. I don't really love it, to be honest. I feel like it's not really doing much for me. Honestly, I don't know. Like, yeah, it's kind of a fail, but we're gonna put some on the other cheek just, because I gotta even it out. So let's put a little bit on the other cheek and see. I will say it does have a really nice scent to it. Like it smells like coconut. Like I know the shade is coconut, but it actually smells like coconut too. So I really like the scent of it, but I am not really living for this blush at all. Like, it really looks bad right now. Like, can you guys see that where it like touched my powder? Oh my god, I don't know if I can fix that. It looks crazy. I shouldn't have set my under eyes, but I really needed to because I wanted to finish my makeup or my eye makeup. But oh, I can just kind of blend it out actually with my finger. That looks a little better. Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna say that this is a pass for me. I don't know. I wish it had more pigment. I wish it had more color because like I'm not really seeing that much color. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but let me know if you can see a difference like in color, because to me it just looks like I literally applied like lip balm or lip gloss to my cheeks. So yeah, I'm not super happy with this product, but let me know if you've tried it, if you like it. I'm curious to know. But I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face and then I will be right back. Okay, we're back. So I went ahead and added a different blush just because I was not feeling that blush at all. And I also added some highlight and lined my lips because the next product in the box is a lipstick. So this lipstick is by V Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. This is like a new brand to me. And this is their Liquid Velvet Lipstick. And this is in the shade... I'm not seeing a shade name on here. What does it say? It doesn't even say the name of the shade at all. So I don't know what the shade name is, but this retails for $22 and it's a new brand to Boxycharm. And it says it's unlike any other lip color you've ever seen. This Liquid Velvet Lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. It's formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long wearing. So let's go ahead and see what the shade is. Oh, it does say the shade name on the bottom of the component, so it just doesn't say it on the box, but the shade is called Bubbly, and it's like a really pretty, like, pinky mauve kind of shade. I don't actually own, like, any colors like this in my collection right now, so I'm excited to see how this looks on the lips, so let's apply it. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's like a really pretty color, actually. I mean, I think it's pretty. It's not like my favorite type of color on me. I'm not like a huge pink lipstick type of girl. I definitely prefer nudes, but it's not a bad color. Like, I think it does look good, especially with this eye makeup. I think it looks really nice. I just want to smell this and see if it has a scent. No, this doesn't smell like anything. It actually has like no scent whatsoever, so that's sometimes nice for people that don't like scented products, but I like a little like something with my liquid lipsticks. I like them to smell like a little bit sweet or like, you know, vanilla or something. So I wish it had a scent, but that's just a personal preference. So yeah, I mean, it's a velvet lipstick, so it's not going to dry down like matte, but it feels like really comfortable right now. Like, I can't really tell I'm wearing lipstick, so that's always a plus. Yeah, and it says it's supposed to be long wearing. It's definitely creamy, it's definitely lightweight, but the long wearing I'm not really gonna be able to tell you right now, but I can update the description box and let you guys know if it holds up. Like, I'm not gonna be wearing this makeup super long, but I will like drink and stuff with it on and see, you know, how long it lasts. I mean, I'm sure it's not transfer proof, but I'll try and update the description for you, just, you know, give you my thoughts after wearing it for a little while. But yeah, let's move on to the next product up, and we have another makeup product, and this is by Basic Beauty, and this is their eyeshadow primer. So I'm not always like the biggest fan of getting eyeshadow primers because the majority of the ones I've gotten I've just never liked. So I'm very picky when it comes to eyeshadow primers, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this one, but this is what the packaging looks like, and I totally forgot to use this like before I did my makeup, so I could have given you my thoughts on it, but I literally spaced and forgot that I had this, so I didn't test it out, but I will test it out on the back of my hand and show you guys what it looks like, if it's like opaque or thick, or like what the formula is like. So that's kind of what it looks like there. So it has a little tint to it, but nothing crazy. So let's kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay, so yeah, there's really no opaqueness to it at all. It just blended away. You can't see it at all. So yeah, that's not my type of eyeshadow primers that I like. I like ones that have that opaqueness to them where they cover up, you know, your eyes and they just make an impact with your eyeshadow. I feel like these ones don't really do much, at least in my experience. So yeah, I'm not super excited for this, but this retails for $18 and it says it's an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. So I wonder if it does actually work for the creasing because I find usually that ones like this do not, but maybe I will test it out another time and see. Maybe it's amazing. I don't know. If you've tried it, let me know so I know whether I should keep this product or not, or if I should even bother trying it. So yeah, that is it for makeup products, unfortunately, but I feel like 3 out of 5 is pretty good. Usually I get more skincare in my boxes, so I'm pretty happy that I got mostly makeup this time, even though, you know, I'm probably not gonna like use most of the makeup, like, to be perfectly honest with you. But let's move on to these skincare products now. So next up we have this serum. This is the Serum Glow Filter from the brand Skin Inc. It says, blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off of your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Ooh, that sounds really, really good. I don't know if I've tried anything from this brand before. I may have gotten a skincare product from this brand in Boxycharm previously, but I can't quite remember. And this retails for $50, so more on the pricey side, but let's open it up and see. Ooh, I love the packaging. That is so pretty. I love like all the little beads in there. Give you guys an up close what it looks like. It looks so pretty. I love like the rose gold packaging on it. I think that is really, really pretty. So I'm excited to try this. I'll definitely keep this and try this out because I love trying out new serums and skincare. I do have a lot of it, but this one does intrigue me, so I'm gonna keep it and give it a try. And then the last product, we are down to product number 5, and this one I am really excited for, honestly. This one is from Pharmacy, which is like one of my favorite skincare brands at the moment. I just love all the products I've tried from them. And this is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. Super cool product. So this is supposed to be a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving your skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. And this retails for $40. So I tried it out today a little bit because I was taking some product shots and stuff for Instagram. And so I did test it out a little bit on my legs. You do not want to use this on your face. It says clearly on the back, this is just for your body, so keep that in mind. And it has a really, really nice like honey scent to it, which I love. I love the scent of it. Yeah, it honestly smells like a honey tea or something. Like, it smells really, really good. And it says that it can be a little bit tingling on the skin. It says slight tingling may be experienced, and you're supposed to avoid application directly after shaving, and it's supposed to help improve your texture and tone for smoother, glowing skin. You can use it 2 to 3 times per week, so I'm really excited to try this out and see like if I notice a difference in my skin, because obviously I have texture, I have like bumps on my legs, on my arms, stuff like that, so I'm really curious to see if this will help with that. Obviously I won't really be able to give you an update by the time this video goes live because it's going to be something that I'm going to need to use consistently before I see results. But if you've tried this, let me know what your thoughts are. I hope that it's a good product. I hope that it works. And this also has prickly pear in it. I didn't even see that. So it's with honey and prickly pear. So that's maybe the other scent that I'm smelling, because it does smell like honey, but there's also like another note of something, and it's probably the pear. So yeah, it smells really, really good. And I liked it upon first application. But yeah, obviously I'm going to have to keep using it. But that is everything, you guys. So overall, I feel like this box was okay in my opinion. Like I'm not like over the moon for it. I feel like I'm most excited for, honestly, and this never happens, but I'm most excited for the 2 skincare products that I got. So yeah, I just feel like these I will get use out of. The eye primer, probably not. The lipstick, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of these shades on me, so I don't know if I'm going to add it to my collection or not. And the blush, you guys know, it just did not work for me. I don't know what it is. It's just a really weird product. Like, I feel like it is like maybe a good product for summer if you really want that like dewy glass skin, but that's just never really been my thing. I'm more of like a matte girl. I like adding just like highlight for that extra glow to the skin. I don't really like my skin to be like naturally dewy and stuff like that, just because I do get oily, and so if I have just dewy products all over my face, like I'm gonna look like a hot mess. So it's just not a product that's gonna work for me, unfortunately. But other than that, yeah, I mean, it's an okay box, but let's go ahead and tally up all of the retail values to see what the total value of this box is. Okay, so we have $50 for the serum, $40 for the lotion, $22 for the blush, $22 for the liquid lipstick, and $18 for the eyeshadow primer. So that gives us a total of $152. So again, this box retails for $27.99 and has a value of $152. Like, at least this variation does, but there are different variations, so keep that in mind. You may get more value, you may get a little less, but you are guaranteed a value of $125 or more, I believe. So you won't get anything less than that. But yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me take my clips out, and let me know down below what you got in your Boxycharm. I'm really curious. Let me know what you think of the products you got, what you think of the products I got, if you like them, hate them. Really curious to know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.